Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable ray tracing on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. And then from the Settings page, click on Graphics at the top. This will now open up the Graphics Settings page. From here, you have various different options to change. You can either use the quick preset option and choose the ray tracing preferences, or you can also manually click on the ray tracing button and turn it on and individually tick the various different options that you wish to enable. After choosing your desired levels of ray tracing, tap on the apply button and now you can go back to the main menu and resume your game with your chosen level of ray tracing settings applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable ray tracing on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.